Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 tips to maximize the battery life on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Hey there, welcome back. My name's Sergio. In this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'm going to have a bunch of cool links in the description down below. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys 10 tips to help you maximize the battery life on your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So let's jump right in. Okay, so make sure you stick around to tip number 9 and 10, which are tips that are super important and extremely overlooked. All right, so tip number 1 is right when you get your phone right out of the box for the first time, it's good to charge your battery all the way up to 100%. So this will start your battery off in the right foot by completely charging it to its max and then continuing to use your device from there. Tip number 2 is to enable dark mode. Okay, so the screen brightness on your phone has a lot to do with battery life. So when you're setting up your phone for the first time, it will give you the option to either select dark mode or light mode. But if your phone's already activated and you want to change it, you can simply just go to settings. In settings, you're going to go to display. And then right here, you're going to select dark mode. Make sure it's enabled. Dark mode will help you maximize your battery and it will help it last longer since your phone will be using less battery for the brightness on the screen. The light screen uses more battery. Tip number 3 is to enable adaptive screen brightness. So if you scroll down from the upper right hand side, you will see your brightness right here. You can increase brightness or lower it. However, what I recommend is you set it to automatic. So you hit the 3 dots and make sure that adaptive brightness is enabled. Okay. This will allow the phone to automatically darken or brighten the screen depending on the exterior brightness. That way you don't have to manually go in here and do it yourself. Sometimes you may put the brightness up and then you'll forget about it and it'll stay there for a few days and that will drain your battery more. Okay, tip number 4 is to put rarely used apps to sleep. So you're gonna go to settings. You're gonna go to where it says battery. Here in battery, you're gonna select background usage limits. Okay, and then all you have to do is just make sure that you enable put unused apps to sleep. This will do exactly as it states. It will put apps that you're not using to sleep, hence using less memory in the background of the device and helping your battery. Tip number 5 is to enable power saving. So that's also in settings. Once again in battery, and make sure that power saving is enabled. Okay, so power saving, once it's on, you also want to make sure that limit CPU speed to 70% is enabled and decrease brightness by 10% is also enabled. Okay, once they're both enabled, go ahead and enable power saving, make sure it's on, and this will dramatically also increase your battery life. So tip number 6 is to enable protect the battery. Okay, so this is also in settings. Okay, you're going to go to battery. Here in battery, you will see this option right here. It says protect battery. So what this will do once it's enabled is it will limit your charging of the device to 85%. So it won't charge anymore to 100%. It will limit it to 85%. Okay, and this also maximizes the lifespan of your battery. Tip number 7 is to keep your phone in temperatures between 32 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. That's also 0 to 35 degrees in Celsius to prevent shutdowns. Because when your phone overheats or it gets too cold, it will automatically shut down to protect the battery. But every time the phone shuts down because of these extreme temperatures, it damages little by little the battery on your phone. So keep your phone at the right temperatures. Number 8 is if you're gonna store your device for an extended period of time, it's better to store your device with about 50 to 70% battery. Okay, so charge it up to about 50 to 70% and go ahead and power your device off, and then you can store it away safely and protect the battery. Because if you let your phone drain to 0 and the battery just turn off and you store it away like that, over time it damages the battery as well. All right, so tip number 9, also a very important tip, is so if you ever charge your phone to 100%, it's good to unplug your device from the charger, because leaving your phone plugged in after charging to 100% for extended periods of time will damage your battery. It will cause swelling of the battery, like you have probably noticed in older phones. That is because of overcharging with battery age. And tip number 10, also a very simple tip, but that we overlook a lot of the time, is to leave Bluetooth off. Most of the time we are not using Bluetooth. So when you're not using it, just keep it off. That helps maximize the lifetime of your battery, and just enable it when you're gonna, connect it to a Bluetooth speaker or your headphones or whenever you are going to use it. But it's good to leave it off when not in use. All right, everyone. So those are 10 tips to help you maximize the battery life of your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Go ahead and give the video a like if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Let me know if you did. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.